Especially some of the dirty Christian people. I know God here. I don't want you to feel like say through me, baptized under the water, who know God more than me.
Viewers and subscribers, Mark 1. So viewers and subscribers, Spice come out on our live today, people. This man say, I feel put a girl in her place. This man say, because this one. We all know Spice have a show in Cayman tonight. So she'll rehearse, right? And she'll sing a Christian song when she write. This man say, and she move from the Christian song to clap clap. So people say, it's like what happened to her the other day. This man say, make you know God. This man say people. So your Spice come out and make people know say, no, a long time I know God. This man say, so people want to listen. This man say, the Spice I would say. This man say, I put some people in them place, people. Please subscribe and like and share this with the people. People, Spice in art.
Pull up that champion. I don't want you to feel like say, true somehow no go under the water, who know God more than me. Who don't know God more than me, yeah? Remember if me never know God more than here. You try remember say if me never have a relationship with God, me Grace Lataya Hamilton would not be here. Because remember say, I know when me sick and down and in a dark time, I call upon God. Me didn't call upon him in a long time. That's why I could answer me. So all of the Christian people are going to talk about what she jump from God and go sing Batty Jar. Yes! Me not go under the water but me know God. Yes, I'm a pray, I'm a worship, and God do things for me too. And all of you where I run out and I talk about God give me a message to give you. God don't put no message. God have me number. God will call me. Why God call me and him not call me? Anyhow, God did have a message. He would have called me and tell me. I would have called my mother and tell my mother and give my mother the message. So all the Christian people don't run out and talk about, oh, I get a message. God have me number. If God have a message, he would have called me. He got the number speed dial. Speed dial. I'm not going to call you, I wouldn't alone God a call and God a talk to. You know how tired I'm bright. Don't make me cussing and tracing enough for God enough. Because all I come talk about this and talk about that like say, true, me not go under the water, me can't worship God. Me can't talk about God. Me know God. God have me number. Hi. Never cuss them sometimes. Oh. Hi. Of course. Mommy. Hello, Mommy. What's up? Of course, you're gonna cuss me. Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I always following you.
Oh, really? You ready to dance tonight?
Oh, skin out the pum pum string.
Look up on live, I'm gonna tell people, say me there the venue, people reach. Me talk to your mom, I want back your number. I'm sweating like a hell. I saw me gonna sweat tonight.
You wearing his wig?
Tonight? Yeah. Why me don't know?
The guy me don't know.
Them people are going like say true, you don't go under the water, you're not supposed to talk about God or you don't know God.
They don't know your relationship with God. Only they know.
Hey, me say some of them who are Christian, me have a relationship but stronger than God with them. Me not ask you, tell me, I tell you.
Alright, let me see.
Oh, awesome. Nice to meet you. How are you? But because sometimes soon you put some comments and I wonder if you're going to have faith.
Keep up. Me
have a call. Me want her number. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but I go down in night now. Me soon I leave comments and I come talk about shake ass. Me is a dancehall artist, but me know God. Don't do that. Don't do that. No, because me a Christian. Yes, me is a Christian in my head, but me not go under the water, me not baptized. That not say me no know me God. When me go through my surgery, I wake up and start ask God, what this? And God say, no worry yourself. Wanna feel like say, on that day, then me just get up and I call upon God on that day. You're crazy. I feel like say me never know God before that day. If me never know God more that day, the God will say, I know you know me. God will say, after all of this time, so much days in the year, I know you call upon me. Now come talk off on the mouth, boy. Boy, shake ass and talk about God. Me, I go shake ass and talk about God. So what? Who vex? Who vex? There's not a day in 365 days that I haven't prayed and worshiped God. Not one. Because if I don't get up one day and pray and worship my God, I don't feel good. I know where God has taken me from. Apart from my ordeal that I went through last year, He has been taking me through trials and tribulation. I started in this music business when I was about 14 years old. There are videos on Instagram to prove that. Sometimes I saw to post some videos, some throwback when Ninja Man used to call me up on stage. You know how much miles me have to walk hungry I search for a stage show just to get a highlight. That's why I big up Ninja Man, so. That's why I big up and rate Bounty Killer. So Bounty Killer know me since I was a teenager. If me know say them dep on one show, me can't walk because me have money for pay take taxi. Me can't walk by the venue because me know say if Bounty see me, he call me up and give me a highlight. Me know say if Ninja Man see me, he call me up on stage and give me a highlight. Me have nothing to fret or worry about. What do when me a struggle and I walk from Old Britain, go way past Nagoset, go way past Newland, go way past round or some place, walk by my foot all late at night time. Just to get a mic to make people hear me and know say yeah, I spice for struggle. When me I make all them walk there, when me a little girl a teenager, when me I pray to God and I tell God, say God, me I beg you please. Me I go for chase me dreams. I see I know say my mother don't break and hungry, me need to help my family. God please don't make no man hold me, don't make no man rape me. Father God bless me with long life and prosperity. One of the day when me know God from me from them time there. Somebody said, me take off that dirty girl a comment because the Abigail has pinned now and say, you used to sing gospel when you're there at high school. Which part of the day when me there at St. Catherine High School down at John's Road and me a lead Pascal Hall and I be a gospel me have to sing. Which part of the day when me know God for a long time? Me's a blue crest girl, me know me love me look a blue from long time because I go a Catherine and me look a blue uniform. And me have the look of one uniform and the one blue crest. And me have to wear the look of blue uniform, go to school, and me have the one uniform and bend. Remember me have to walk from John's Road, go down a Windsor Road to go wash out the uniform to make it dry in the sun to go back to school the next morning. Because I don't have only a uniform. Which part of the day when me know God from them time when me a pray and worship God? Me don't want to no joke when me a talk about God and feel like say some joke thing me a depend. And I know me know God. Enough Christian don't know God like me. Enough Christian don't have a relationship with God like me. So when you not run out now, you don't want to go clout. You see the little thing and little mix up and find a way to say. When you want to go close, I come say, God tell me say, God will tell me himself. God have my number. God have my phone number. Which part of the day God never tell you no? Last year when me a suffer and a struggle and my belly a at me, God never call you and tell you no say. Call Gracie and tell her say, no, do this or no do whatever. God never call you no before. Oh, God a call you no all of a sudden. Look here man, God have my number. If God want to talk to me, man call me. And a phone number alone God have. So you stop come on the page and I talk about say. God tell you no say. Which part of the day? When we used to sing my local gospel at Pascal Hall, big up everybody from St. Catherine High School. Me know God long time, like me say Spice Marley is out today and it's my gospel song. That is my gospel song. That's my way of worshiping God. Me never know how to do the full-blown gospel. Me do it, and me never like it, so me do it pan a gospel, a reggae rhythm. They say me for calm down. Alright, let me take 2 deep breaths. Because you know me easy to get ignorant. Me don't want to go back in my old self, because as me tell you, say, it's a new spice born and come again. So, it's just hard to keep up to my new life, because everything, you know, have something to say. Every little thing, you know, have something to say. Me come out and me tell you, say, alright then, me a give God, remember me do my part, you know. Who no want hear, no hear, and who no want believe, no believe. But remember, say, me get my testimony, and me let go my testimony, me do my part. So when you not go dig up and say, oh yes so go, oh this so go, and what make me did the year around, oh, and no, that, no. Me no worry about what who no want say, me don't go no say, me right with God, because me get my testimony, and me let go my testimony in the public. So who want take it, and who no want take it, that is with Uno and God. I remember when Jesus did a walk the earth and attack, I want to see one this a lie my tell. So that's why I say, me no read the business, you know. Who want bash me, who no like me, but me do my part, which is telling about God, what God do for me. When me I walk from Old Break and go all about and I pray to God, say, one look at something can go on for me. God never call on the damn time there. A bunch alone look at me and tell me, say, you are going to be the next queen at the dance hall. From me, I must be 15 years old. So if anybody if tell me, say, God call them, I must bounty, because I my own prophet when me can't say, me can't attest to. But all I want to wear run out now when I come talk about God, tell me this and God. God have my number. Him will call me. Him will tell me.